valuation of the goodwill, average profit method. Now in case of this, as the name itself suggests, we calculate what is the average profit and then accordingly the goodwill is valued on the basis of average profit. Now this average profit may be simple average or weighted average. Now when there is a fluctuating trend of the profit, that is there is either increase or decrease in the profit, then we use a simple average. Now if we can see a clear increasing trend in the profit, then we use a weighted average. Once the simple average and weighted average is calculated, then we calculate the goodwill on the basis of this calculated simple average profit and weighted average profit. So let us see one example. Now, simple average method or weighted average method. Now, calculate the goodwill at 3 years purchase of profit. Now 3 years purchase of profit is whatever is the profit that we get, we have to multiply it by 3 to get the value of the goodwill. Now goodwill will be 3 years purchase of profit. That is, in short, this average profit for 3 years is purchased as a goodwill. It is assumed that its average profit of 3 years is purchased as a goodwill. So whatever is the average profit we get, we have to multiply it by 3 to get the value of the goodwill. Then we have year and the profit. Now 2015 profit is 50,000, 2016 55,000, 2017 58,000, 2018 62,000, 2019 65,000. So this is year and profit, and these are different years and these are different amounts of the profit. Now if we see here, we can see that there is an increasing trend in the profit over the period of 5 years, that is from 2015 to 2019. So we will be using a weighted average method. Now this is a weighted average method. This is year and profit. We'll write 2015 50,000, 2016 55,000, 2017 58,000, 2018 62,000, 2019 65,000. Now weights. How do we allocate the weights? Now weights will be for the latest year, the weight has to be 5, that is greater. So we will allocate the weights in the sequence of the years, that is 2015 1, 2016 2, 2017 3, 2018 4 and 2019 5. Then product is multiplication of profit and weight, so that is 50,000 into 1, so it gives 50,000. Then 55,000 into 2, that is 1,10,000. 58,000 into 3, that is 1,74,000. Then 62,000 into 4, that is 2,48,000. Then 65,000 into 5, that is 3,25,000. Now we have to take a sum of the product, that is 50,000 plus 1,10,000 plus 1,74,000 plus 2,48,000 plus 3,25,000, that comes to 9,07,000. Then sum of the weights, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, that is 15. Weighted average will be your sum of the product divided by sum of the weights. So that is 9,07,000 divided by 15, that comes to 60,466.66667. Now goodwill will be 3 years purchase of the profit. So now this weighted average profit is 60,466. So 60,467, we are rounding it off, into 3 because it is 3 years purchase of the profit. So that comes to 1,81,401. Now this 1,81,401 is the value of the goodwill. Now let us see one more example. Now calculate goodwill at 2 years purchase of profit method. Now we have to calculate the goodwill at 2 years purchase of profit. We have given year and the profit. 2015, 50,000, 2016, 45,000, 2017, 48,000, 2018, 32,000, 2019, 55,000. Now, if we see the profit in 2015 was 50,000, then it has come down to 45,016, then again 48,000, then again 32,000, and then 55,000. So if we see there is a fluctuating pattern in the profit, that is, we cannot see a clear increasing trend in the profit for past 5 years. So we will be using a simple average method. So average profit will be your sum of the profit, that is 50,000 plus 45,000 plus 48,000 plus 32,000 plus 55,000, that comes to 2,30,000. Now this 2,30,000 divided by 5, so that is 46,000. Now this is a profit, simple average profit for last 5 years. Now what will be the value of the goodwill? Value of the goodwill is 2 years purchase of the profit. So goodwill value is your profit, that is 46,000 into 2, that comes to 92,000. That is the value of the goodwill as per simple average method. So this was about how to value the goodwill as per average profit. If we see the fluctuating trend in the profit, then we use simple average. If there is a clear increasing trend in the profit for the past 5 years, 10 years, whatever we take, then we use the weighted average method.